In this video, I will be doing a reinstall on a 26-inch 5x5 HD closure wig from Nadulahair. It is in my favorite texture, curly hair. It's not going to look curly at first because I brushed her out and wore her in like a natural blowed out state for a few days, but we're going to get her back curly and we're going to reinstall it. This is basically one of those videos when after you wear your wigs, how do you reinstall it? It's pretty much the same thing. It's actually easier. Reinstalls are already pre-plucked. They're already like how they need to be. I'm about to get the wig, prep my braids. I'm about to do that really quickly and then I'll get back to you guys, all right? I'm just using that Gots to be around my hairline just to brush my hairs back out of the way. So that's all you guys are seeing me doing right here. I like to make sure my hair is out of the way. I do, since this is going to be a closure wig, I leave out my sideburns to kind of add to the look of the closure. And then the rest of this will be under this wig cap, all right? So I'm just gonna take this. So here's the wig. It will be a reinstall, and to be honest, I love closure wigs because once you wear them, I can really wear this glueless, no adhesive. But for this video, I'm just gonna be spraying my Gots to be free spray on it and just let it do what it do. So this is pretty simple. I already have it adjusted to how I need it, so I'm just gonna prop her on my head. This is a HD lace, y'all. Look how she's laying, and it's not, no product on it right now. None at all. I did bleach these knots. I have no makeup on her right now. I just want to get these baby hairs out of the way. So all I'm doing is brushing that back. I'm gonna make sure she's lined up where I need it. Sliding the wig back just a little bit so I can get to this hairline area. I do clean and prep this area with some alcohol. I'll wipe and clean it. So I'm gonna do that very quickly and then apply her. Rat tail combs are our best friends. So to let that kind of melt down, I will use an elastic band. So I'm just going to be taking this and tying it under the hair. So while it sits there, I can kind of like define the curls and all that good stuff. All right, we're gonna take loose this hair. Okay, so I'm going to go wet this hair with some water. This is how she looks brushed out. I'm going to wet it with some water and come back to you guys to style, okay? I can't find my spray bottle, but I wanted to come to you guys just to show like a texture difference. This is the hair with only water. Only water. I will be applying some things once I get this side damp, but I don't know where my spray... I see my spray bottle. Okay, so found my spray bottle. So let's spray this side down. It's just water in here. Where do you guys buy the spray bottle that's kind of like the mister? Where y'all get that from? I want one. This hair is very easily tamed, and I love that. Needs a little more water. Now, let's take this band off and see what we're working with. Ouch. Jeez Louise. So for baby hairs, I had some right here and I had some over here. So let me comb that out. For my baby hairs, I'm going to be using some Lotta Body Milk and Honey mousse. And I literally just put a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit right there. And all I'm going to be doing is kind of molding that back. Taking that right there, molding that over. It's a little bit too much for my liking. Let's pull that up. That's one baby hair. Then I will go in with that same Milk and Honey on the hair. And I'll take my powder brush and work it in. And then as a finisher, I'm gonna spray some of my Got2b just to make sure all that is gonna lay down how I want it to lay. At this point, you have to make sure you brush whatever you want to brush in the direction that you want it to go, because once that Got2b sets it in, she's going to be set and ready to play. And then also as a finisher, I use my Garnier Fruit Tea Serum. I just do a little bit palm size in my hand and I take it and rake it through. I love this HD lace. I did not put no makeup on my part or on like this area. That is literally just how the lace will melt into your skin. I think this is my first or second time with HD lace and I like it. These are the curls, nothing too fancy, no curls, soothing, no nothing, just a Lotta Body, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching. This was my reinstall on my Nadulahair wig. The information on this wig will be in the description box, so you should check it out if you find it helpful. I mean, 26 inches, she's coming past like, let me do a little jump. So she's giving very much 26 inches. And she can get more defined than this, but this is just how I want to wear the hair for this video, so I'm liking that. All right, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video or want to see more content from me and you're not already doing so, you should just, you know, subscribe to my channel to come take off with me, because then we just gonna be popping like these curls on this wig. So until next time, you guys, bye.